What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, today I'm bringing to you a video in which I'm spilling the beans. Now, I want to tell you the trade line secrets that credit card companies don't want me to tell you. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back, Credit Snipers. Hey, thank you for being here today. Today we're going to be talking about the trade line secrets that companies or credit card companies don't want me to tell you. But before I start, guys, please, if this is your first time on our channel, please do not forget to go ahead and subscribe, like and share. Stay to the end. You're going to love this content. Plus, I got some freebies at the end in which I'm going to tell you what it is. Now, but at the same time, guys, I need you to go ahead and click on the bell icon. Click on all so like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. Guys, but overall, give me the thumbs up. Why is that? Like that, you'll help me to actually be able to reach many more. It's my goal, my mission in life to help thousands and thousands of you to get to the 800 club with this free content, guys. So stay tuned. Let's start. Let's begin this video. Alright guys, so let's start the secrets. Now, first of all, what is a trade line? So I get this question from a lot of people. They don't know what a trade line is. They just know, okay, I have an open account. But guys, a trade line is any kind of debt that you have. A trade line could be a car loan. A trade line could be a home loan. And a trade line could be a credit card. Alright guys, so one of the questions that I always get is why do trade lines don't always report to the credit report? And in reality, is once I get more in depth, it's not why trade lines don't report, is why trade lines don't report to all three credit bureaus. So your three credit bureaus is your Experian, you have your TransUnion, and you have your Equifax. Now, one of the things that I could tell you is for the most part, those creditors that only require the last four of your social only, and for the most part, report to two bureaus. And for the most part, they usually TransUnion and Equifax. Now, those A1 creditors, so like you have your Capital One, your USA, your Navy Fed, your Citibank, they require your full social security number. So whenever you get this type of trade lines, it's always your social security card and your driver's license is required in order for them to be able to post or add you as an AU or an authorized user. These are the type of cards that for the most part and usually will report to all three bureaus. So remember, if you only have the last four and no documents are required, for the most part, those creditors will only report to one or two bureaus. Now guys, a lot of the times I get this question asked too. It's like, so American Express, why not an American Express? Since it's such a prestige type of car and lovely and you could do so many things, you got so many rewards. Yes, and yes, and I love it. I have 5 of those. But something that you have to keep in mind is that American Express do not report age. They only report the credit limit, which is good for your utilization. So it doesn't matter if you have a credit card or Amex card with 20 years and $50,000, $15,000 of credit. Guess what? The only thing that you get in your credit report, it is a $15,000. Now, that may work for you if you want to increase your credit utilization, but if you want to increase your age, it's not the way to go. Now, guys, for the most part, also those other cards like the Chase, the Synchrony Bank, the Wells Fargo, those same type of cards that only require the last four of your social, will require you to have the same address as the person that is adding you as an authorized user. So in that case, what you will need to know is also get the address of the person that's adding you as an authorized user and go to your credit bureau and do an address update. This will allow for that car or for that trade line to be posted in your credit report. Now guys, a lot of the time, so this is another question that I get. Why is it taking too long for the trade line or the credit card to post on my credit report? Now guys, something that you have to keep in mind is the statement closing date of that credit card. So let me give you an example. Today is December 1st. So if you have a credit card, that is going to post on the 3rd of every month. So you plan it right. If you get it on the 1st or even the 2nd, that credit card will post on your credit bureau, on your credit report on the 3rd of December. Now, if you get a car that usually posts on the 28th of the month, and today is December 1st, and you get it today, guys, it's going to be almost a month before that credit card posts on your credit report. Now, guys, another question that I usually get asked is, how long do trade lines stay on my credit report? Now, guys, for the most part, 30 to 45 days. Sometimes you have the grace days of 15 days. So usually between 30 to 45, or it could be 30 to 60 days. Now, guys, if it was up to me, I will get what is called a progression file. A progression file. What is a progression file? Now, progression file could be one thing. So if I want to increase my utilization, but also the age, I will get a card that has a high age, but a low credit or credit utilization. So say, for example, a card that might have a 20-year-old, but it's a 5,000 credit limit. And also, I will get another card that has a high limit, but it's fairly new. So, for example, I will get a card, in my case, anything between $20,000 to $30,000 or $50,000, but with an age between 2 to 5. Those two will actually balance out, will come out cheaper, and it will make a bigger impact on your credit report. Now, guys, this is some of the secrets. Again, we are not a trade line company. We are the best credit blueprint. We teach you the solutions on how to become a better sniper at your own credit and create your own blueprint, guys. Now, we want to teach you all the ins and outs. These were trade lines. Trade lines are one of those things that will help you increase your score between 100 to 200 points in a matter of days. So if you're ready to buy a house, if you're ready to make a big purchase, and you know that your credit is fairly new and you don't have many lines on your credit report, guess what? Trade lines are the way to go, but you need to know your ins and outs. You need to know who you get it from. Now, one thing that I want to let you know is that by becoming part of our Best Credit Blueprint or our course, you'll get 75% off of all trade lines out there, and that's the cheapest. Guaranteed, that is the cheapest that you ever gonna get it out there. Because my competitors are actually selling this trade line between 3 to 4 times of the price that you'll get it with our competitor vendor. Now, we work this deal for you, becoming part of our community as credit snipers. Guys, hey, I want to make sure that I help you and continue helping you. Today's December 1st. I want to bring this to you. And guys, do not forget, this is your boy, Carlos Estrada Vega. We are the best credit blueprint. Now, if you were new in this channel today, do not forget to subscribe. Now, let me know, all of you out there, how we did, how you like this video. How can we make it better? In the military, we have something called the AAR, the After Action Review. Now, let me know how we did, what can we do better, how can we improve, and what we could keep doing. But at the same time, let me know what are the topics you'd like to know, so like that we could bring them to you. And again, these are questions that you guys are asking. These are questions that I'm answering. And I just want to make sure that I bring you value in order to help you become part of the 800 Club. Guys, do not forget to click on that bell icon, click on all, so like that you'll continue to be posted every time that we post a new content. Now at the same time, guys, give me the thumbs up. Like I said before, this will allow me to reach many, many more, because like I said before too, my mission is to help many of you, thousands of you, to become the better version of yourself. And by doing that, I want to make sure that I bring to you, become part of the 800 Club. Do you know that being part of the 800 Club pretty much equals for you to be worth more than $150,000 monetarily? Guys, let's get to it. It's time to do it. Let's roll. Let's do this together. Carlos Estrada Vega, the best credit blueprint, and I'll see you in the next video.